Welcome back to a new video. Right, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button because we are building this channel up. We're slowly building the channel up so far. I think we're 2,100. Let's get to 3,000 as quick as possible, guys. So today is going to be a very busy day. So we've got a few things to do on the Audi TT. It's purely going to be a TT video. First step we're going to be doing, we're just going to fit these LED reg plate lights. Yeah, I do need to do that. I don't know what that's about. What's that? We'll figure that out in a minute, but we'll go fit that. Then we've got to fit this head unit on the TT, and hopefully that all goes well. I can see it being a bit complicated, and then maybe we'll get the bike out and go and ride. I don't know. Let's see what the day brings. But first thing, let's go fit these reg lights. So obviously there's water been getting in here or something, because it's literally so crusty. Look at that. It's all like rusted up. Hence why my reg lights don't look like they're doing jack shit. So this is the original connector. It looks like you plug the new connector into that, into the lights, and then this maybe cancels the light that comes on the dash, saying that you've got a reg plate light out. So I'll give them a try. Yeah, so they're pretty bright. And no light on the dash. But the problem is, let me just give you a demo. I don't know how they are going to fit in. There's no bolt or anything for them. So I'm going to have to figure that one out in a minute. Maybe I'm going to have to drill some holes. So we went for a little technique, which I like to call the butcher. And we had to butcher this is the casing which doesn't fit at all. Shout out to eBay again for hooking me up with a casing which doesn't fit. And what I've done, I've butchered it so I can remove, oh that's a thing. So, oh yes, this came out now. This is the like original sort of thing which I cleaned up a bit. I'm going to put that, oh does that fit? Yeah, of course it does. I'm going to put that in there like that, sit that in, fix these connectors all back up to it, and then we're rolling. Almost OEM that. Check it out. Okay. Good news. It works. Let's just put it all back in. Both of them. Don't know if you can see. Both of them are fitted the most ghetto way possible, but we'll clip to the lights in the night time right now so you can see them properly. Okay, so you saw the lights at night, so that's obviously looking pretty sick, I should hope. So guys, the time has come now to fit the head unit. Now first things first, well, it's going to be quite hard to sort of film this I think, but I've got a little tripod set up in the car now. Hopefully it's going to be able to film most of it. And so I had a few comments like, oh, you should have AUX in the car already, but I don't have AUX, there's no Bluetooth, it's Audi Symphony, there's no, I can't connect the phone at all to this head unit. So we've got a new one. I will show you the new one in a minute, but first let's just remove the old one. So guys, in the back of mine we've got this thing here. I'll try and remove it without covering the camera, but it's really hard. Just basically unclamps, that takes out. Then we've got the aerial here, and that removes there. Little passenger airbag light underneath here, and that comes out there. And this is the old head unit, the Audi Symphony. So now we're getting to the new one. Now shout out, people are going to ask me, where did you buy this from, where did you get it from? Now this is the thing, like, well, I was looking on the Facebook forum and stuff like that about what guys have fitted, and some people are saying, oh, fit Kenwood because it's good quality, whatever. And Kenwood is the Kenwood is good, but it's not like a specific fit for the Audi TT. So when you look at the fit, it don't look that right. Whereas, but then there's some cheap ones. People are like, oh no, they don't fit. They don't fit well or they don't work well. So I had a look on the Facebook Marketplace and did find this. So shout out to the chap, I think his name Ash, who sorted me out with this. So it has already been fitted to an Audi TT. So Guys, I'm basically cheating here. I've not got much wiring to do, hopefully. So here's the new unit. Here's the new unit. I'm not sure what brand it is, to be honest. I'm really not sure what brand it is. It doesn't say. But it has already been fitted, and it's got Sat Nav, Bluetooth. We'll soon find out if it all works anyway. But it sent me this. All the wiring here is here. Now, it did say that it's got a little bit which has been splined off for the steering wheel controls. Now, I have no idea where the steering wheel controls are, where they come to on the standard one. So I presume you have to wire them into this, as it's been wired in before to another car, but I don't know where they is. So if anyone wants to help me out and tell me what sort of, give me like a wiring diagram or something like that where I can find the steering wheel control so I can wire them into this, then that would be sick. On the back, so we've got a connector here for the aerial. We've got this connector here, so the second one, and this is for the GPS. This one here and this one here. This one is for a USB, and these ones connect to a sub or anything like that. And then it's got like the I think a decoder thing. I'm not sure what. Honestly, I've got no idea about electrics. I just do the mechanical stuff, but we're just going to wing it, plug it all in and see how it goes. I know you guys are probably expecting how to do it or something like that, but I ain't that guy. I'm just going to wing it in and we're just going to see how it goes. Yes, first thing done. Okay, so first thing actually I'm going to check is, does this actually go into there? Yes, it does. Oh, it's beeping. Should we see if anything works? Oh, the Audi screen's on. Yo, oi, it's working. Good sign, the actual thing works. Shout out to Ash, he sold me one which works. Not that I'd expect anything less anyway. So let's get everything else connected up. Yo, oi, I didn't even need to do anything. The steering wheel controls work, yo. Look, the steering wheel's control work. I don't need to do any wiring. What a legend. Connect this aerial somehow to the back and then we'll test out the whole thing, see what works, what don't. Well, they come with these little brackets which hold it in. So yeah, there's the screws in. Then obviously you can use these things to get them out. So let's just rest it in there for a minute. Here we go. We have some sort of radio signal. Oh, what does this do? Yeah, boy! Let's get to radio 1. Oh, it's touchscreen. It's actually touchscreen. Going on to Navi right now. I'm presuming this is Chinese, so I'm not expecting it to work. Yeah, Colorado Way. Definitely do not live on Colorado Way. So guys, the main thing I wanted it for was connecting my phone so I can actually listen to music, which ain't the radio. So, okay, so guys, I'm trying to connect my phone with this, and I think I did just connect it, but I can't work out. Maybe. Hey! It works! So guys, this thing has got tons of features. I'm not sure what actually works and what doesn't work, but the main thing I need it to do and want it to do is have the radio and Bluetooth connect, so I can connect my phone with it, and that's exactly what I do. I'm guessing this BT, I thought it was like just to connect your telephone, but it was to connect your phone for speakers as well. So I click on that, I press play. Hey, shout out to Ash for sending me this out. I bought it off him for Facebook. If you guys want one, just go on Facebook, search Ash. No, I'm only joking. He literally, I think he had it fitted in his car, he was selling it. But it's actually a good bit of kit. Now I don't know what it is. It comes with a load of other bits. I mean, it's got like a controller here, which I probably won't use. It's got another USB port here. Loads of other cables, which I'm not going to use. I'm just going to fit it in. We'll see how it fits in a minute. Like, see if it actually sits flush or is it going to poke out 100 foot. And yeah, we're rolling. So guys, after a while of pushing, pulling, tugging and all this sort of shit, I finally got it to fit really nice in here, but because there's so many wires at the back and that little canvas error code reader thing, you have to sort of try and get your arm in and tuck it all about, but now it's on. Let's check everything still works after pulling and pushing all around everywhere. It still works. So guys, we've still got to replace that button. I know you're probably sick of it now, but steering wheel control buttons work as and when. I've wired the USB thing down here. I will hide that at some point, but I don't really know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe it'll just charge my phone. If you can see, the GPS is just like under here. I was just going to double-sided sticky tape it there, but I don't know if I'll actually use it anyway, but it's there if I do need it. Sat Nav update, it's actually decided to work and it knows where I am now, so that's good. There's a few other mods that we will do, but I'm actually stoked with that. It looks pretty OEM to me. I need to clean it up. It's got my fingerprints all over it, but it's looking pretty good. Give us a thumbs up if you like the head unit. Sorry I've not been much help with the wiring and everything, because someone's actually done it already for me, and I think it's just like one of these ones from China. The guy sold it me for like 100 quid, so probably new, it's probably 200 quid or so. It's not going to be an expensive one, so all these people telling you need an expensive one for it to work good and that, well, all I want it to do is play music and play the radio, and that's what it does. So, and it looks alright, so what else can you can't moan about it, can you really? So that'll probably be the end of this video today. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you click subscribe, and peace out. I'm playing games on the head unit.
She got more real every day. Running these hoes like I'm made. Can't fuck with you unless I'm paid. Get the bag 1,000 ways. Niggas been running for days. Yeah, they run with no purpose at lanes. Yeah, it's my time to get paid. I've been grinding like a